Welcome to today's tutorial on how to save articles to read later on Google Scholar. This tutorial will teach you how to save articles on Google Scholar so that you can retrieve them again in the future. After logging into your Google Scholar account, complete a search for articles related to your research topic. I'm going to search for occupational therapy stroke interventions. When you find a relevant article, click the star icon below the search result. Now, click the sidebar and then click My Library. Your articles will be stored in order of most recent articles saved. To create a folder for your articles, click Manage Labels. Click Create a new label. Enter a title for your folder and then click Create. Now return to your library by clicking the back arrow. Click the checkbox for the articles you would like to move into a folder. Now click the labels icon at the top. Select the label you would like to apply and then click Apply. You can now access these articles in the folder labeled Stroke Rehabilitation. Thank you for listening to today's tutorial. As always, feel free to contact the library staff for any questions.